What's up, sunshines? Happy Vlogmas. So today I am going to be doing a hair tutorial featuring Duvolle, and I'm also going to be doing like a holiday makeup look for you guys. I have no idea what type of look I want to go for, but I just want something like that's cute. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not going anywhere today. But today is just more like a day that I just want to like look cute and like glammed up. And especially since right now it is like it's getting closer to finals, I barely have time to myself. Like, I've just been doing nothing but going to school, studying, work, and yeah, so now I just want to look cute because I haven't looked cute in so long. I've just been looking super bummy. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. So I'm gonna show you guys. And so one of the products I'm gonna be using today is Duvolle curling wand. So I have yet to use it, but I'm super excited to try this curling wand because I actually haven't curled my hair. Like, I haven't touched a curling wand in years. Like, seriously, like I've just literally been doing the straight look with wigs, or if anything, just wearing a curly wig, and that's it. But I have not actually touched a curling wand in so long, so I'm super excited to use this. Start off with doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I use this curling wand, what type of hairstyle I'm gonna do, and yeah. Now we got our primer on. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do that off camera because, as you guys can see, I have a lot of eyebrows. Like, my eyebrows are super duper thick, and if I show you guys how I do my eyebrows while it's thick, you guys are gonna look at me like I'm crazy and just be like, why do your eyebrows look like that? So I'm gonna do them off camera, and then I'm just gonna come right back. All right, this sun is out of control. I think I'm gonna start by going in with this like sparkly looking cocoa color, and I'm gonna be using the Studio Makeup on the Go palette that I have, and I'm gonna see how that looks. So far, this is my eyeshadow look. It's just really like a glowy, bronzy look, and I'm probably gonna add some more glitter later. But for right now, I am going to do my foundation routine. And I'm using Fenty Beauty. I'm using the Pro Filter in the shade 385. Okay. So far, I think it looks good. I mean, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. This look is more on the basic side, but for someone who does not really know how to do eyeshadow like that, I think this looks really good. Now for the contouring. Woo! That was too much. Shit. This was such an accident, guys. I can't find what I normally use to contour my face. And no, this is what I get for contouring. I honestly really don't need a contour. So alright, I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to like clean it up. Okay, better. Because y'all saw that and that looked so terrible. Oh my god. So now I'm about to use Caramel Cutie in the Fenty Beauty. This is the bronzer. I don't know, I like to do both. I like to contour my face and bronze, but mostly I just use a bronzer. What I also like to do is I want to add some blush.
Christmas Day.
Like to use anything that is like brown, like a lip liner, or I like to use the Fenty lip paint. And okay guys, the last step is I am going to highlight my face. Yo, every time that I find this highlighter, like it keeps going missing. This is ridiculous. All right, so I'm gonna use literally like every single color in this highlighter. I don't know, for some reason, like I just have to use every color because I never know what color to use. And I honestly don't know what to call this look. Like, I want to say, you know, nice little soft, not so soft glam look. It's not beat, but it's cute, and you can wear it for the holidays, especially if you don't know how to do makeup like that and you don't want to go crazy. Like, I feel like this is a great look. I don't know if y'all can see this, but so on to the last part, and it's the hair. I forgot where I put the curling iron. So the last part is the hair, and this is how the box looks. First open it. This is the curling iron, how it comes in the box, and it also comes with this glove. I love when curling irons come with the glove because it's so easy to just burn your hands. And like, you know, like the worst part is when you accidentally burn your freaking forehead with the curling iron or a flat iron. But yeah, so I got this, and now I'm gonna set it up. Know what type of look I'm doing, by the way. I'm just going along with the flow of like how I feel like looking today. Start brushing my hair, and before I start curling my hair, just want to mention that I did flat iron my hair because I don't know, I just felt like it would be better to start off with like straight hair while curling it, and also make sure that your hair is super detangled. I haven't curled my hair in a long time, so don't judge me, guys. Y'all, I accidentally burned my finger, and I honestly have the glove in the wrong hand at the moment. Just be careful with this piece on the curling wand because this will like get stuck to your hair, and like I've had that happen to me like maybe 5 times. But it's all good because this is a great piece to have, especially if you want to like lay your heating tool on the table. So I'm actually really bad at curling with my other hand. I just did a cute little, a quick little glam thingy-majiggy. And these are how my curls came out. So that is it, guys. This is the final look. My little soft glam, especially if you don't know how to do eyeshadow, and just something, you know, a little bit simple, especially because not like everyone wants to do like, I don't know, sparkly eyeshadow and stuff like that for the holidays. Like, honestly, we really just be going, you know, out for the holidays just for some food or gifts. To be quite honest, like, nothing special. No one's trying to go in that much, at least not me. I'm literally just going to be like a couch potato, just eating some good food, watching some movies with my family, and that's really it, just spending time. But this is definitely going to be like a go-to holiday look because I don't got time for all that glitter, those eyelashes and all that stuff. And I really love how like the curls came out, not so much on this side as far as like the size of it, and it was easy to hold. It wasn't like annoying to like have in my hand. So now I need to take some pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment what you guys want to see next. Like, this time I'm really gonna go hard with like posting more because, you know, I definitely do need to. There's so much that I want to like keep telling you guys, and like I want to like show you guys how to do, especially. So that's kind of my goal right now, which is to post whatever you guys want to see. And I know another thing is that like YouTube isn't really the same anymore. Like, most of the popular videos are watched by like kids who like weird stuff. And also like you just see a lot of like makeup tutorials or just hair tutorials, and it's kind of like I've seen this like a million times. So I definitely don't want to do that. I want to be able to like put things that will actually help you guys. So like anything, like another thing, I also just moved, so if you guys want to see like a room tour, a house tour, don't mind everything in the background. I know it looks kind of crazy, but yeah, I just didn't have time for that. So yeah, if you guys want to see stuff like that, see like house shopping, holiday shopping, also any updates as far as me being in school, I'll definitely post stuff like that for you guys, because you guys are literally like my family, and I want to be able to share everything that I can, every knowledge and part of my life as much as possible that I can with you guys. And thank you for staying subscribed to my channel and still supporting me and still watching me. And thank you guys, I really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys next time. And I'm gonna leave a link to like some of the products I use, like the palettes and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you later, sunshines.